Hello, I'm Philip Stoten. I'm here at Apex 2018 and I'm joined by Heike from SEHO. Heike, thanks for stopping by. I see you're presenting tomorrow in one of the solder panels. Give me an idea of what you're going to be presenting and what's new with SEHO at the moment.
Yeah, I will be presenting a technical paper covering process control issues and also zero fault production line, which we are working on. You know, it's so important to really have the process under control, starting from the fluxing process, preheating and soldering. There are so many variable parameters during the process which really can influence the quality of the solder joints, like the flux quantity, for example, preheating temperatures, dwell time, things like that. And I'm going step by step in my technical paper through all those production steps to show which issue should be controlled automatically, of course, and what electronic manufacturings really have to focus on.
Okay.
And in addition, in terms of reworking, which is manually done mostly, we are working on a concept to do that also automatically, without having the complete board running through the entire process again, only for faults, for example, which have been detected with a solder joint fault.
Okay. So when you're doing the parameter control, when you're putting all those controls together, obviously the skill level of the people on the line has changed. You know, there are less engineers on the line, there's more turnover of process engineers, so there's a greater requirement to do that automatically. Is that something that SEHO has seen as a trend and has responded to in terms of your equipment?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, it varies from one country to the next, of course. In some countries you still have skilled engineers at the manufacturing lines. But of course, electronic manufacturings, they try to save costs, and unskilled people are working there. And one issue also is traceability, reproducibility. Everything has to be documented, and you only can do that if you have an automated process control and also rework control.
Yeah, you have those systems in place. And it's been interesting as we look at the last couple of years, as everybody's got into this smart factory, Industry 4.0 trend, everybody's trying to position themselves as smart factory solutions. But to me, what's really important is to be able to combine that with domain expertise. So for you, it's all about the soldering and the thermal process, and being able to combine that with smart factory solutions. Is that something the customers understand, or are they looking for something else?
Yeah, I mean, of course, customers do understand that, but we go one step ahead. As you might know, we are also offering handling systems, handling solutions, and of course it's important that all of the machines in one manufacturing lines, that all the machines communicate with each other, so that always you always can see what one machine has already produced and what the next process step will be. So this communication between machines is very important.
Yeah, and then you can create those feedback loops, feed-forward loops, and improve those processes. Are you involved in the Hermes and the CFX standard?
Of course, in both of them. We are working in the Hermes work group and also CFX. We are not represented here at the Apex show. They have no booth here, but we are in the research group and working with them together, yes.
Okay, fantastic. Well, good luck with your presentation tomorrow. Thanks for stopping by to chat, and enjoy the rest of the show. Thank you.
Thank you, Phil.